KM Series Outdoor LED Curtain Display features a design characterized by high transparency and lightweight construction. It is 65% lighter than traditional LED displays and requires minimal steel structural support. Its exceptional transparency minimizes obstruction of natural light, providing architectural facades and urban landmarks with clear visual effects and an elegant aesthetic. This series is equipped with a fanless, noise-free thermal management system that enhances durability while maintaining stable performance. Each LED strip is detachable, allowing for both front and rear maintenance. This enables even non-technical personnel to easily install or replace modules, significantly saving time and cost for large-scale outdoor installations. KM Series incorporates a high-efficiency PFC power supply, achieving energy savings of over 75% compared to traditional LED screens. The product is specially engineered to withstand high humidity, high salinity, UV radiation, and extreme temperatures, ensuring stable operation in diverse weather conditions, particularly in coastal or tropical regions. With minimal structural requirements and a transparency rate of up to 80%, this series preserves a building's natural lighting while minimizing visual impact on its exterior. The transparent LED curtain not only enhances the architectural aesthetic, but also offers dynamic opportunities for digital advertising displays. KM Series utilizes inline LED beads with an IP65 waterproof rating, ensuring long-term stability and reliability in outdoor environments. This outdoor LED display is an ideal choice for architectural lighting projects, guaranteeing both reliability and longevity in any setting.